Welcome to Butterfly Solutions for Mathematics. Here we are discussing the irrational numbers and irrational numbers. A rational number with denominator consisting of irrational factor is not in the simplest form. For that, we have to eliminate the irrational factor from the denominator. Then only the rational number p by q becomes in the simplest form. Here, 2 by 5 root 5. Denominator is 5 root 5. 5 is rational factor and root 5 is irrational factor. We have to eliminate that root 5 from here. For that, we have to multiply with the root 5 in the denominator add-ons to multiply the numerator also by root 5. 2 by 5 root 5 into root 5 into root 5 in the numerator. Then the product is 2 root 5 by 5 into root 5 gives 5. 5 into 5. That is 2 root 5 by 25. That is the 2 by 5 root 5 is in the simplest form 2 root 5 by 25. This is the process of rationalizing the denominator for a simple rational form. Next question, given that root 3 equals 1.732. From this clue, we have to find out the value of root 192 minus 1 by 2 root 48 minus root 75. That is, we have to split this root 192 into perfect square and a number. That is 192. When we split a perfect square from it, it becomes 64 into 3. 64 is a perfect square and 3 is not a prime number. Therefore, root 64 into 3 means root 64 into 3 minus 1 by 2 root 48. 1 by 2 into root 48 gives root 16 into 3. And root 75 gives root 25 into 3. Therefore, 192 minus 1 by 2 root 48 minus root 75 gives root 64 into 3 minus 1 by 2 into root 16 into 3 minus root 25 into 3. That is root 64 into 3. Root 64 into root 3 minus 1 by 2 into root 16 into root 3 minus root 25 into root 3. Root 64. From all these three terms, we can take the common factor root 3 and irrational factor outside. Therefore, this becomes root 64 minus 1 by 2 root 16 minus root 25, the whole into root 3. Root 64 gives 8 minus 1 by 2 into root 16 gives 4 and root 25 gives 5 root 3. 5 root 3. 5 root 3. 5 root 3. That is 8 minus 5 whole into root 3. Therefore, that gives 8 minus 1 by 2 into 4 gives 2. Minus 5. 8 minus 2 minus 5 gives minus 7. 8 minus 7 gives 1. 1 into root 3 equals root 3. Root 3 equals 1.732. That is the final answer of this question. Root 192 minus 1 by 2 root 48 minus root 75. Next we are going to another type of questions. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 equals a plus b root 3. Find the values of a and b. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Taking the LHS, left hand side of this expression, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, the denominator we have to conjugate root 3 minus 1. That conjugate you have to multiply the numerator, then only this rational number will remain without any change. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Same number when we multiply with a rational number, its value will not change. That is the principle here. Therefore, root 3 minus 1 the whole squared by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is root 3 square minus 1 squared. Root 3 minus 1 the whole squared, we can follow a minus b the whole squared, a square minus 2ab plus b squared, or a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is root 3 square gives 3. 1 square gives 1. Root 3 plus 1 minus 2ab. 2 into root 3 into 1 minus 2 root 3. That is 4 minus 3 root 3 by 2. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. When we take 2 common outside, here remains 2 minus root 3. That 2 minus root 3 is here. That 2 and this 2 will, the common factor 2 and this 2 will cancel, and we are getting the final answer 2 minus root 3 equals a plus b root 3. When we equate a plus b root 3 equals 2 plus minus 1 root 3. Therefore, a equals 2 and b equals minus 1. Next question, 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 equals a plus b root 3. That gives, find the value of a and b. 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3. Conjugate the denominator. Therefore, 7 plus 4 root 3. The conjugate of 7 plus 4 root 3 is 7 minus 4 root 3. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 7 minus 4 root 3, we will get 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. This is the numerator. When we multiply, we have to follow the identity a plus b into c plus d. Why? Because all the 4 terms are quite different. Therefore, we get 35 minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 minus 24. 5 into 7, 35. 5 into minus 4 root 3 minus 20 root 3. And 2 root 3 into 7 gives plus 14 root 3. Plus 2 root 3 into minus 4 root 3 gives 2 into 4, 8. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Minus 8 into 3, 24. By a plus b into a minus b, a squared minus b squared, that is 7 squared, 49, minus 4 root 3 the whole squared, 4 squared is 16, root 3 squared 3, 16 into 3, 48. Here 35 and minus 24 gives 11, and minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 gives minus 6 root 3, 49 minus 48 gives 1. Therefore, 11 plus minus 6 root 3 by 1 equals a plus b root 3. Denominator 1 we are not considering. 11 plus minus 6 root 3 equals a plus b root 3. Therefore, a equals 11 and b equals minus 6. That is the final answer. The fifth question is, find 4 root 5 by 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. The denominators are quite different. Therefore, we have to take the LCM. a minus b into a plus b. That is 4 minus root 5 into 4 plus root 5 is 4 squared minus root 5 the whole squared. Next, therefore, when we cross multiply 4 plus root 5 into 4 plus root 5, 4 plus root 5 the whole square, 4 minus root 5 into 4 minus root 5 gives 4 minus root 5 the whole square. Therefore, a plus b the whole square gives a squared, 4 squared, plus root 5 b squared, root 5 the whole square, 5, plus 2 into 4 into root 5. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into root 5, 8 root 5. Similarly, 4 minus root 5 the whole squared is following the identity a minus b the whole squared. A squared is 16, b squared root 5 the whole squared 5. And minus 2ab gives minus 2 into 4 into root 5 gives minus 8 root 5 by a plus b into a minus b, a squared minus b squared gives 4 squared minus root 5 the whole square 16 minus root 5 the whole square 5. Therefore 16 plus 8 root 5 and minus 8 root 5 cut. 16 plus 5, 21. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 21, 42. By 16 minus 5 gives 11. That's all. We can meet in the next video.